I just flew the drone for probably the second time ever, and I didn't have sweaty palms, my heart beating fast, that sick feeling in my stomach, like the thing's gonna crash. So, the footage should be good. I think you'd be proud of me, honey. But even when I was flying it over Ivanhoe Crossing, I was very nervous over all that water. Yeah. Our campsite has quite good access down to the water. You should see all the hermit crabs down here. You can hear them. Let's see if we can find some. There's one. Look at those rocks. Have a go at this stunning coastline here at Quondong Point, about 40 k's north of Broome. Love this place. When the tide goes out, there's all rock pools out there, so you could have a swim there if you wanted to. Have a look at this.
I nearly trod on him.
Yeah. It's pretty.
Very.
Here we are at Quondong Point. This is just north of Broome, about 30 odd k's or so. Our friend should be coming in just behind us, so we're going to see what he does when he gets to the little road blockage we've put up. Here they are.
Knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah, we picked it. He just drove straight over him. He didn't even slow down. So our mate there, he just did not even slow down a bit, eh? He just like mowed those things down. We'll go down and see him, see what he's got to say.
One went flying a couple of meters in front.
Yeah. We're about to head out here, and we're going to go and get some fresh oysters off the rocks.
Were you waiting in the bushes?
Yeah.
Straight away. No way.
Too funny.
I just started pissing myself straight away.
Well, it's time for us to leave this beautiful spot. We've arrived at Willie Creek Campground. It's the one that's closest to the Pearl Farm, and I wanted to show you what the tide's doing right now. It's flogging in. Let's go and take a look. This is it. This is the high tide coming in. It's flogging in. Tide's coming up, but what a tease. There's actually quite good waves that come up every now and then, like we could get the boogie boards out. But there is a resident crocky, so we're not going to do that. We've left our campground at Wiley Creek, or Willie Creek. What is it? Is it Willie or Wiley?
Willie.
We left our campground at Willie Creek, driven down a little bit down the road. Let's have a look at the beach here. Look at the colour of that water. The boys are airing down a little bit. It was a little bit boggy to get over the sand dune. This is the moment of truth here, guys. Adam's bought himself a new cast net and then give it a throw. What'd you think of that cast?
That was alright.
Yeah?
Just learning the new net.
Yeah.
It's 3 or 4 foot bigger than the other one. That one looked alright, didn't it?
Yeah, it did actually.
Might catch a crocodile. Throw him on the hook to see what we get.
So you're throwing this right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed. Actually, I should try left-handed with this one. Do this one left-handed. 3.
Looks like there's a bit of an art to it.
Yeah, sometimes. Oh, we should have races.
We're having crab races, hermit crab races.
I'm winning. I'm closer.
And the finish line is here.
Hey, go the wrong way! Go
Hey.
the other way!
Hey. Hey guys, so we're at Willie Creek. This is our outlook of our camp where we are. This is our bathtub. We have to come down here and try and have a bathtub in safety, try and scrub all that dirt off from up in camp. Had a bit of a tub, which was much needed. All the sandy is pretty dirty, so getting pretty gross pretty quick. Just a bit of a funny thing, we just replaced our Waco fridge in the back just recently. She started mucking up, so we're in Darwin and we're around shops, we replaced it. And then while we're here, we're like, well, we've got to give her a name. So we thought it was appropriate that now our fridge is called Willie. But it's going to be a bit of a funny one, asking people to go and clean out Willie or go get me a drink from Willie. Anyway, that's her name now. Our fridge is now called Willie.
Well, we're packing up and leaving Willie Creek today. And campgrounds, we've got really, really soft sand, so it's going to be really interesting to see how we're going to go getting out. And we've got our mates next to us. They've got quite a big van. Should be interesting. So we've got quite a tight hairpin we have to get around. So Adam's backing up, and we might use a little bit of this space over here so we can get a wide enough angle.
It's a moment of truth. She'll be steady.
Yeah, she'll be right.